Hi, welcome to Shri Management channel. Today I am going to show you how to draft a letter when you are approaching the Commissioner of Income Tax to get approval or condonation while you are filing income tax return using section 1192B. So this is one of the sections which you can utilize in case if you have genuine hardships or any of the problems due to which your income tax filing has been delayed. I have another video which talks about how to use 1192B, when to use it and when not. So I'll provide that link in the description. Please go through that as well. This video provides you how to draft a letter and what has to be the precautions we need to take care while drafting it, and so that you can approach the income tax department with that letter. Let's see that.
So this is the letter which you need to use while you are filing a condonation request in order to get approval from the Commissioner of Income Tax while you are filing the income tax return using 1192B. So this first part is the address part. This is pretty easy. You can provide the address of the SSC for whom you are providing this IT return. This has to be addressed to the Commissioner of Income Tax and then name of the city. Please ensure you find out the circle to which this SSC belongs to. You can look at this detail in the PAN card, which is the SSC is using. I'll provide another video where you can look up to the ward and range to which the SSC belongs to. By using that data, you can figure out to which commissionerate the SSC would belong to. Please ensure that you mark here the commissionerate in case if it is 1 or 2, to which the commissionerate circle the SSC belongs to. And depending on the subject, please ensure that you provide the PAN card detail and then also the assessment years for which you are filing the income tax return. Here, in case if the return is being filed for more than one assessment year, you need to mention those details, address the authority. And I have provided this in a different coloring so that you would be able to identify which sections can be reused. So this first paragraph is about formally requesting the commissionerate or the assessment officer regarding the application, and then also a general data. You can reuse this in your application as well. And this specific section, which was in the pink color, is where you need to explain the reason for the delay with clear reasons. It is mostly important, and why the delay has happened, and then also provide the supporting documents as attachments in case of any, and provide a detailed overview in the attachments. But in this first page of the letter, provide a quick summary so that the assessment officer would get an overview. What about the specific assessment years you are filing for, and in case if certain DDS has been deducted, you are reclaiming that, and so on and so forth. Such details provide that in a clear summary and preferably in a table. And in the subsequent section, you can just mention about the request that your return has to be allowed, and then you need to also mention that under which section you are requesting that. These are the concluding remarks which you can use in your filing as well. The only this central piece which is marked in pink would change depending upon the assessment years you are filing and the TDS calculations. And then the second page of the letter, make sure that you provide a detailed computation so that this computation would help you as well when to how much amount you are filing the return, and also which will give you an insight to the assessment officer about your income details, deductions any, and then if there was a TDS amount, and if there was a specific refund amount, you can mention that as well. And this detailed assessment would help quickly getting the condonation approved and avoid much further questions. And it is important that SSC signs both these pages in the first page as well, and then also in the second page, or even if there were multiple pages as well. In case if you want this assessment to be going through easily, you follow this detailed approach of the condonation request. Hope this information is helpful, and do subscribe to this channel so that I would be encouraged to provide more detailed videos like this. Thank you so much.